Hi everyone. A question was asked of me today to find out how to get a copy of a hub course that a teacher could use in their own classroom. And that's actually really easy to do. You can see I'm on the Moodle right now, moodle.fsd38.ab.ca. So there's your link. The LMS is optional, it'll come up by itself. And I'm going to sign in. You'll normally see a sign in box right up here. You can see I'm signed in right now. And I'm going to go ahead and push create my Moodle classroom because I'd like to create a classroom. So the classroom in question right now is for HCS 3010. So I can just type in HCS 3010. And the short name, it just needs to be something that will fit up on the breadcrumb lines. So the same thing will work. In the summary, you can put whatever you want to show up in the course catalog, or when a student clicks on the I icon in the directory. And then finally, the reasons for wanting this course. In some ways, this is kind of silly because I do authorize any course that is from a teacher. However, sometimes just telling me which school you're at can be of help. But if I know who you are, which for the most case we do, just put random characters there and that's fine. And then when you're done, you just push request this course and it will say, oops, it's saying that somebody else is already using that. So I'll go with 001 at the end and request again. There it goes. And that'll send me an email asking me to authorize the course. So I'm going to pause the video for a second here and authorize that course. And once I press the approve button, you'll get an email saying your course is active and a link to go directly to it. Now, by default, your course is pretty plain Jane. There's not a lot in here. But no worry, there's lots of places to get material from. And so the first thing I'm going to do is actually turn my editing on because there's a block that I'm going to need for this to work. So I'll go click editing on, and then I'll scroll down to where my add a block icon is. And I'm going to just go ahead and go Community Finder. Now the Community Finder block is a database which searches for courses and course materials. And so you can see it's shown up right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click search. Now it'll come up with the generic Moodle.net course database, which does have courses in it, but they're from all around the world and may not align to Alberta curriculum. However, you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a button that says Show All Hubs. And so I'll click Show All Hubs. And there's two that I'd really like to draw your attention to. One is ours. This is set up by the hub. And in here, you'll be able to look at any hub courses. When I click on it, you can see this changes to say FSD Moodle Hub. You'll also see that there's a Rocky View Schools Moodle Course Hub, and that's our consortium with the entire province. And through this search, you can get courses from all over the province of Alberta. And so between those two, you should find the courses you need in aligned to the Alberta Program of Studies. Now in this case, the teacher is looking for a hub course, so I'm going to click on the hub, and I'm going to just type in HCS 3000, or you could just do HCS if you want to search for anything starting with that, and I just go ahead and push search. And it takes just a second. And no search results because, and this is my mistake, I forgot that HCS is part of our COM course, so I do need to type COM instead. So here we go. And there it is. You can see COM in the hub, and it gives you a description of it. Now you'll notice that on the right-hand side is a button that says Install. So I'll go ahead and press that, and it's going to tell me that the backup's been saved and ask me if I want to restore it now, so I'll go ahead and hit yes. It'll give me an overview of what's in the course file, so you can see there's a number of assignments and questionnaires and other items. And I may want all of them, I might want only some of those. But when I'm done, I just hit continue, and the next screen will ask me where I want to put it. Now, for the most part, you're going to be choosing one of these. If you choose merge the backup into this course, then if you already have content in your course, it will just insert the materials you're pulling in right after that content. In my situation, though, is I have a blank course, so I'd actually like to delete the contents. And what that'll actually do as well is make sure that I get the formatting from the online course. So I'll go ahead and press continue. Now it's going to give me an overview of the types of things on the screen. You can usually just go ahead and hit next. And now we've got the list of what's in here. So right now I'm only looking for the HCS. So I'm going to turn off the Career and Life Management module, and you can see it's turned off all the items contained inside of it. Personal well-being, financial decisions, personal choices, final COM20 performance task, journal, CTR 1010 isn't the module I'm looking for, HCS 3000 is not the module I'm looking for, but I am looking for this one, HCS 3010, so I'll leave that one turned on, and I can probably just turn off teacher section as well, and I'll just go ahead and press next. Now it gives me a final view of what this is going to look like. And all I have to do is push perform restore, and I sit back and watch the progress bar come across. And this, depending on the size of the course, can take a few minutes. When it's finished, however, you will see that a green box appears saying that your course has been restored, and if you press continue, it will take you immediately to your restored course. And so you can see for me, all I have now is this HCS 3010 ready to run. As always, let me know if you have any questions on this, and I'd be happy to help.